I have them on a pad. That's going to teach them to go potty there. Dot, Dot, you spinning him in a circle. You spin her in a circle and in a circle. They don't want me to touch them. Look at that one's like, I'm going into the warm, but the floor is so cold. Yeah, there they are. There's Mr. Freckles. Hi, Freckles. Yes, there you are. Bella, stop being a crybaby, Bella. I count on you to be the tough one. Oh my God, Bella, you made some boobs. Good kill for boobs right there, but ew. Yes, that was her, Dot. Hurry up, clean them.